Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check runtime version and installed packages so the environment matches production. Next, open the server logs and filter for 500 or 502 entries to see the initial error trace. Note timestamps. Once done, verify that the root route / is defined in your router or framework and call its handler locally. This isolates network issues from code faults. Make sure configuration files point to the correct service endpoints before moving. You should now reproduce the error using curl or postman to capture headers and full response. This reveals status codes and body details. Then inspect middleware and authentication layers, because errors often occur before the handler returns. Review database queries and ensure connections, timeouts, and queries succeed. Once you have a failing case, add breakpoints or enable verbose logging to trace the execution path step by step, so you can see where exceptions are thrown and what state causes them. You now implement the fix, whether code, query, or configuration, and restart the server to apply changes. Run integration and smoke tests against / to validate. Once validated, monitor logs and metrics for 15 to 30 minutes to confirm stability and make sure alerts are reconfigured if thresholds changed. If the error persists, revert to the last known good commit and bisect recent changes to isolate the regression. As a key troubleshooting tip, reproduce the issue in a staging copy to avoid production impact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.